kapok wachopo kanyo. Jakedne ratich oganda Bob Njagi en achiel kuom ji ma yande ondhi kod apisas mag obila kitudo kod jiwo tulo e kinde ng'anyo mag Gen Z ma yande otimore pacho kaendi. Bob mane oyudo thuolo mar twak kod jofwambo e boma ma Kitengela olero kaka yande sirikal ma pacho kaendi osande. Owacho ni pod biro dhi nyime kod kedo ne oganda jo Kenya e yudo ratichgi. To Bob en achiel kuom ji adek ma yande ondhi kod obila Kitengela e kinde ng'anyo mag Gen Z mane sundo piny owacho mondo wit oko chik omenda mar higani.
Their attempts to investigate the police have been distracted and hampered in order to cover up the truth. The Kenya police have violated the constitution severally, yet they are the ones who are entrusted with enforcing the same laws. The use of excessive force such as live bullets, water cannons, tear gas, etc., while concealing their faces to avoid identification has been the modus operandi. This only points to the reluctance of government to undertake any meaningful investigations that will uncover the truth and reveal those who have been sponsoring the goons. My colleagues then dropped me off at Railway's bus terminus, where I boarded a matatu to Kitengela, for Kitengela. En route to Kitengela, the bus stopped at Mlolongo for some passengers to alight. It was then that four masked men, hooded men, got into the vehicle shouting, "Huyu ako na bunduki," while pointing at me.
When this press conference was called, the DCC of Isinya instructed the AP commandant and the DCI Kitengela to come and disrupt a legal press conference invited by a man that has suffered in the hands of this criminal regime.
We want a free Kenya that has got an accountable government, a government that is functional, a government that is going to to shape the future of tomorrow.